Let's go. A little slick Rick for y'all. Wake up in a tent made of yak. My mama, I'ma gently rubs my back. She tells me to wake up cause it's time for breakfast. Roll around to see her turquoise necklace. Fella already wake as he twists his mustache. I go towards Fella cause I must ask, are we having tukpa or having tsamba? She tells me to go wake up my little brother. So I wake him up and then we go to eat hot poja and tamba. That's all I really need. I reach in, Fella says stop, reminds me to pray. I say sorry I forgot, and then I chow down a hot meal that warms my soul. This is heavenly and that's all I really know. In fact, after this I'm ready to do my chores. Milk the yak, tend the sheep, and feed our horse. Of course, by now I know the routine. Better if you're a nomad, I don't know what you think. And you should getting booed if you don't do your work. So I put on my boots and also my choba shirt, and I handle my business. Buddha's my witness, travel the distance. Nomadic life this is. Tend the sheep, sing the song and reflect. Cold wind on my face, sun on my neck. Smile on my face cause this is life every day. Looking at the clouds laying on the grass blades. Flat plains, blue skies, white mountains. Drives the fighting for resistance and independence. I can't wait.